Hello students, hope you have watched our videos to clear your concepts. Now it's time to give you the numericals which are very important for the internal school exams and board exams. I have selected these numericals from SL Aurora. So you have to buy this book, take the questions and do them well. Before you start preparing these questions, listen to me carefully. I have ticked some of the questions as very important and important. So the trick is to learn the important and very important questions thoroughly. And for the other remaining questions, you can just clear your concepts. I have classified them separately. And one good thing is that all important NCERT questions are included in this list. And moreover, they are given topic wise. So if you do them in sequence, you will have a clear understanding of the concepts of numericals. And after that in exams, even if a numerical is twisted, you can easily answer that one. You will have a clear view in your mind that which type of numericals are from which section, and so in exam, if a different numerical comes, then also you easily know which formula to apply and do them. So friends, here are your numericals for the first chapter. Hope you have ticked all the numericals in your book. These numericals are for regular studies. But now I will give you the portion which you cannot miss before exams. You have to do it before exams. That is all the solved examples of NCERT textbook. Now you will say that ma'am, then why should we do SL Aurora? Instead, why can't we do directly NCERT solved examples? But I will explain you why you have to do SL Aurora questions during your regular studies. It is because if you first do the questions given in the list, it would be a very smart deal as it benefits you in two different ways. First advantage is that as you now have a strong understanding of the concepts, and even if the questions in the exams are twisted, you can easily answer them. Second advantage is that it saves a lot of your time when you will be preparing all the solved examples of NCERT just before your exams, because now you already have a deep understanding and good practice, and so you will be able to solve them very fast and very easily. Moreover, you will not have to do rectification in the end. So if you want good results, you have to practice the list of numericals given by me during your regular studies. You just cannot avoid them. Okay guys, thank you everyone for watching this video. All the best. Ready, steady, go. Sorry students, I am back just to remind you one important thing, that if you have the SL Aurora book edition of this year, that is 2020, then no problem, page numbers and questions will match properly. But for the next coming years, if in case the edition of the book changes, then you can cross-check the questions given in the link in the description box. Generally they do only minor changes. Then also I have given the link which you can cross-check and tick them. Thank you.